Good morning. Once again, today we'll be talking about our ancestors. In fact, they have designed a method how to age. My concept is art of aging. How do you want to age? See, you can't stop your aging. You have to age. But with age, there's a package deal of diseases like cataract, osteoarthritis, blood pressure, hypertension, diabetes. All these things are waiting on the way. It's up to you now how you can postpone them. So that is called art of aging. So today we'll be talking about first things, how to keep your heart happy. Now this is a very big question, Everybody wants to keep his heart happy. How? You can do yourself. I'll tell you why. See, there's a heart, it works like a pump. And God has done, I should not say like this, but it's a big mistake by giving you only one heart. While two eyes, two lungs, two kidneys, why not two hearts, but only one? So you got to be very careful. If you keep your heart happy, you will live long and live healthy. So how can you do that? Your heart is like a pump. Its main work is to collect the blood from whole body, which is used and deoxygenated, full of CO2, and send it back to lungs, get it oxygenated, bring it back, send it to whole body. That is what is going on. And out of whole body, brain is the important part, very important part. So our heart has to pump blood continuously to brain so that brain keeps working and you keep working. You work according to your brain. Whenever your brain doesn't get blood supply proper, it give up and you fall down. So how to keep your heart happy, this is very important. So one work is to pulling blood from whole body. If you can do that work, your heart will be happy, and this has been proved by monitor. Example, from my hand blood has to go back to my heart, which is deoxygenated, full of CO2. My heart is pulling blood from my hand, from my lower limbs. If I elevate my hand up, I'll help blood to go back to heart by help of gravity. Now, our ancestors have decided, see, whenever you meet somebody, you can do like this, Namaskar. Hi, how are you? This is the way when you do. Shake hand. I've already mentioned in my last episode. When you do shake hand, then also you send your used blood back to heart by elevating, by shaking. By lying down, if you elevate your limbs, lower limbs, then also you help to go back, blood to go back to heart. So you are doing heart work. So heart is happy because heart's work you are doing by your own activity. This is one way. This is the way you can reduce your heart rate. I've shown it on monitor, you can see that. Next, main work of heart is sending blood to the brain. So whenever you get chance, bend your head, bring your brain down below heart. Once you do that, heart is happy because brain has come down. Our ancestors have decided, whenever you meet a senior person, touch his feet. In my last episode, I told you, by touching elders' feet, actually you bring your head down the heart level, and from heart, blood can go easy to brain, and brain is fully full of blood and heart is relaxed because now it has to do work lesser. You can see these pictures. I'm showing this picture. By these 2-3 methods, you can make your heart happy and stay healthy and long. So my dear friend, you must have understood now how you can keep your heart happy. God has done mistake, you should not do it. This is my first episode of Art of Aging. I'll be talking later again for so many subjects how you can age. So keep in touch. Make sure that you see my episodes and learn how to age. You can't stop aging. Thank you.